So let me be honest, it's much easier to vlog in Europe. In Europe, nobody cares. So here I am behind me. I landed in Paris. I need to connect to Amsterdam. So they have this big old screen over here and you're walking from flight connections or baggage claim. So be sure to check that out. I have all my stuff here on the ground. I'm gonna organize myself, but it's about 1 o'clock in the daytime. I'm gonna catch this flight to my next destination. But just remember, when you're here, you have to check your, it's all in French too, by the way, so something to look at, but figure it out. And I'm gonna keep vlogging. Hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing here. And I hope you guys take a trip to Europe as well. This is the perfect place not to mess up. Baggage claim the other way. Airplane transfers this way. Certainly not alone. There's actually people on the flight. We're going to Romania. They're gonna take a flight to Romania and then get in a car and drive for 10 hours. So I'm officially in Europe. And I have no idea when I'm gonna immigrate. I'll do immigration paperwork. I believe that's gonna happen for me in Amsterdam. And once I get there, I'll get a better microphone for the rest of this whole experience. So just keep in mind, I'm gonna flip this camera around. So like I just said, I just landed in Paris over here. Went through some security. Security's behind me over here. There's Americans, Cubans from Miami were literally in front of me. So that's exciting. It's a small world. I love seeing Cubans make it and get out. You know, they're obviously successful in America, but to be able to travel and meet them outside of Miami is amazing. Another reason why I think Miami is a great city. Well, let me just turn this around for you guys. So that little board behind me, that's your friend, okay? So when you're traveling, keep double checking because things change. So whatever it's printed, it could change by the time you get here. So just keep checking that board. Flight times change, locations change. There's all sorts of politics at the airport, but I need to make it to my flight. Crazy true story. I literally made it here with 1 minute left to go. I'm the last person to board this plane, as you can see. They said, hey, did you get lost getting to the gate? No, I didn't. I just went through security and had to get checked. And then got, you know, I'm American. I don't speak Francais. So anyways, I made it here. Look, that's what it looks like. So whenever you come to France, just know you may not have enough time. Okay, you may not have enough time. Barely made it. They're making me check my bag. There's nobody behind me. Literally the last person on that plane right there. God bless. So ladies and gentlemen, I made it to my seat. Obviously I said I was the last person on this plane, but thankfully I have a window seat. Nobody sitting next to me. I'm gonna have a good view of Amsterdam when I land, so I'll be sure to get that view for you guys. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. And I hope you're learning something. I want to do better on video editing. So when I'm in Amsterdam, I'm going to go to a camera place to try to improve everything. Stay tuned and take care. So Europe trip was a success. Finally landed over here in Amsterdam. I don't know if I should rent a car here. It's just quicker to fly. But They do have options. I'm thinking about getting the electric 7 Series. They have an option for $100 a day. I haven't really fully decided on that yet. But for now, I'm gonna get my baggage, relax, eat something, make a decision not on an empty stomach, just make it on a, you know, full stomach. But here you guys can check out the rest of the airport here. I'm gonna take a couple seconds and share with you so you can see when you land in Amsterdam what to expect. So they got these cool little carts right there. So I'm pretty much in the middle of this Amsterdam airport making a vlog for everyone. I wanted to point out back here though, back here there's some lounge access. There's people going like all directions, right? But there's people here, you go downstairs for your bags. There's people here trying to catch connecting flights. Some folks back here looking at lounges. And like I mentioned, the airline lounges, they have places to eat, shower, sleep, rest, charge your phone. So you can look into that. So just check it out. Here's another quick little travel tip. So as you check flight departures, if you have a connecting flight or not, sometimes it's best just to check out where our plane's flying to so you can travel better and know where, you know, planes are going to all the time. So here, obviously I can't read so much, but there's certain locations that rather than drive to it, I can just catch a plane. I'm gonna actually study this for a little bit so I can understand what I want to do next in my European trip. Amsterdam is a hub for KLM Airlines, and obviously certain corporations have certain, you know, partnerships. I believe KLM works with Air France and Lufthansa, so there's always things to look at. But for now, I'm just going to check out where I can take a flight to in Italy and plan a little bit better. I see they have Milan. They also have Nice or Nice in France, Naples, Rome, so I'm just going to check it out now. So maybe you've noticed this or not. You may not have noticed, but I had like a rolling around bag from away travel. Well, suddenly that's gone because they had to check that in as I was arriving late. But one thing I've noticed about Europe, people are nicer. And I don't know specifically why they're nicer, but it's not rude at all for me to do this little vlogging recording. I think they're like supportive of it. They're like, oh look, there he is recording something. I wonder what it is. But they're not giving me weird looks or anything. No one acts like a weirdo if there's a camera and says, how dare you. But look at this little sign. Oh, missed it. They're showing a sign for Italy. So clearly they have a nice little design for Italy and whatnot. So I'll keep this vlog short for now. Baggage haul, here I come. Oh. Got this baggage claim. Seriously, I have no idea where my bag is, or which arrivals, customs. It's all very confusing. Bum bum bum. So I'm in baggage claim. It doesn't say anywhere that there's a Paris flight. Good thing that I was friendly with the buddy next to me on the flight. He was actually from Holland with a wife from Brazil, so he's flying from Fortaleza, Brazil to Amsterdam today. So he's, you know, standing right behind me waiting on his bag. So like any good tourist, I'm just gonna sit back and let him, you know, find his bag, and then I'll know my bag is here. So just know, man, there's traffic in Europe. Mad traffic. So bag is still not here yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a cart and wait. It's been 30 minutes. I'm surprised it's not here yet, obviously. Never had issues with Amsterdam, but I don't know, kind of seems like America. Empty on the baggage claim side. So I just really hope my bag gets here. I don't want anybody stealing my stuff. And I have like plans. So without my bag, I might be able to get started on my vacation. So we'll see how everything goes. It's already been 30 minutes. Nothing has come of it. Definitely waiting at the wrong baggage claim. Like, on baggage claim number 10. I don't know where Buddy went. Well, Buddy's gone, but my bag's probably been out. Jeez. What was I thinking? And I don't know what it was. I wasn't thinking. I was just trying to like be safe. But look, when in Europe, you gotta figure it out yourself. These people do not speak English, all right? So watch, I bet you I pull up, my bag's been going around. I got things in my bags, man. First fail. First bag here. And the other bag probably got stolen. All right, so the good thing about Amsterdam airport, that is connected to a railway train station just downstairs. So most people, to save money, rather than spend 60 to 70 bucks on a taxi, they'll take the train to the central part of the city. I don't know the city so well, but I definitely recommend that you figure out the railway system down here and just take a little risk. You know, you're pretty much on your own, but you'll be able to figure it out. So behind me is this train station here. For 6 or 7 euros, I can get to the downtown area of Amsterdam. I'm not doing that yet. So I've been told I pack like a woman. What is so womanly about this? If I pack like a woman, that must mean I pack smart, right? Check out how smart my bags look. So I'm here at SIXT. SIXT's supposed to have the deal on the 7 Series. So I'm just gonna go chat with them. See what kind of car they want to give me. Look at all the options that they do have. So I'm gonna check out. Ooh. So pretty much, it's not really confirmed that this is going to be the 7 Series. I have a reservation for it, but it's not, you know, confirmed or whatever, European style. They want me to go back upstairs, go talk to SIXT. That's going to be kind of annoying. So like, maybe I'll do that now, maybe I won't. But imagine I just pop out of this place with a rental car. That's kind of sort of what I'm used to, rather than sit there and wait on Ubers and taxis and other people to help me out and be in situations that I don't like to be in. Look, vlogging. This is not easy. I'm already getting a little bit annoyed vlogging for everybody so they can see what happens. Hopefully it helps somebody when traveling. Look at it. Stay calm, cool under pressure. So I'm a bit spoiled, yeah. So I'm so used to car rental pickup versus like going to the place, like national car rentals, like boom, you walk up to the car, you can rent it. Here's a little different scenario. So I'm thinking go ahead and get the 7 Series, man, if they let me. So I'm not really necessarily in a rush at this time. I can find hotels that have free parking with it, or like some kind of affordable parking. Parking at the airport's about 17 euro a day. You can pay outside or you can pay within the hotel if you're staying at the hotel here. They have options here. They got the Hilton, they have the Sheraton, whatever. What does it say? Oh yeah, pretty much don't walk all the way there without a reservation if you have a rental car, okay? They're gonna make you walk all the way back like me. So it's annoying, but part of the vacation. Some more drama in the LBC. Long story short, they say I made a reservation, but they didn't have a confirmation on it. So I could do another one on the app if I feel like it. I don't know if I'm going to or not. And I guess the only other interesting thing was I was stopped by an Indian woman to say, hey, do you know where bus number 408 is? And it's nice to see Indian people asking me for help out here. They think I know what I'm doing, but little do they know I'm just as lost as they are. You know what I mean? But it's like, you know, a cool environment. It's been a cool hour or two, but I'm sweating, man. You know, stress stinks. There it works. So what's up, everybody? I'm in cold Amsterdam, just landed off the plane. Everybody and their mother's gonna either go about their merry way. Some people are going to Italy. Some people are staying here in Amsterdam. Some people are coming from Brazil. I don't really know, it's a big city. But I'm landed and I'm well dressed, and it really does feel good to fly in a suit. So I'm gonna keep doing that in the future. It's 7:43 a.m. As soon as I go through immigration and whatnot, grab my bag, I'm gonna be headed out to the city. Stay tuned. Hope you guys are doing well. So the last time I was here, I didn't have time to capture anything really. There's definitely the Cartier store here that has a certain kind of watch over here on discount. I don't know if they're gonna allow me to record it, so I'm gonna ask first. So sometimes people are always talking crap to me about my Casio watches. Right back there is the Cartier store. They actually have Cartier for sale for 21% off. I saw it the last time I was here in Europe and at the Amsterdam airport. Decided not to buy it. This time it's going to be a little bit more difficult to make a decision like that, but we'll see what I decide to do. But for now, it's early in the morning. I'm trying to take it easy for the moment, and then we're going to go from there. All I will say is after you land, get ready to walk and then enjoy your vacation. Ain't no fun without me in it, right? I love Amsterdam, aka it's cold out here, man. It is so cold. So anyways, looking for my Uber still. I'm almost there, I'm freezing. I need gloves. Slightly miserable, but not disappointed. Take care.